Maddie. But see. So that's what I do. What do you see? Do you see stuff for you? Hey, look at that! Hey, I found it! I found it. Hi, let me see. That's Max's basket. You want to show him what he got? He got an egg and a monster and what's this I call a triceratops? Mm-hmm. And what does it have in it? Open it. Nothing. Because he's too little for candy, so the Easter Bunny wouldn't leave him candy. Look at this. Wow, that's really cool. Go through. Yeah. Is there anything else? That's cool. We got one of these. Hey, look at this. Ooh, he got some goldfish grams, vanilla. Yeah, yummy. Like flour. Yeah. Open it. What's that? Another monster. Let me see. Let me see the monster. I got two. Gabe. They go in the bathtub. Yeah. That's cool, huh? Now he's got some toys. Look at that. He spies one more thing. Okay. Maddox, what else did you get? It's this. Look. A candy thing. And these were candy inside. Like it. Look at that. See, that's how it works. Cool. He's lucky to have a big brother to show him how to do these things. Okay. That was gonna make that